Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You have the collar up and the top button done, so start by placing the wide blade on your right and narrow on your left. Once aligned, cross the wide over the narrow, keeping the intersection just under the collar so you can shape the knot. Maintain light tension. Too tight will make the knot bulky. As you wrap, watch the wide blade's front face so folds sit flat. This first wrap establishes knot size, so adjust position now before continuing to the next steps. Now form the knot body by tucking the wide end under the narrow and bringing it back over. This creates the bulk of the knot. Make 2 to 3 passes depending on desired thickness, and keep each layer flat so the knot looks neat. Once you have the loop structure, thread the wide end through the front loop you created. Make sure to hold the small end steady with one hand, while you adjust the wide end with the other, tightening little by little to preserve symmetry. Finish by slipping the wide blade through the front loop and pulling it down to seat the knot. Create a dimple by pinching the sides of the wide blade at the knot and tugging down gently. This adds a professional touch. Make sure the knot sits centered over the collar and that the tie tip reaches your belt line. If it's crooked, loosen the knot completely, recenter each wrap, and red-iton slowly. This corrects alignment without increasing bulk or distorting fabric.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.